Alright guys, welcome back to another amazing video on my YouTube channel. It is Sunnyboy TV. Okay, so if you click the link I'm going to be leaving on this video description or on the comment section, for those of you on my WhatsApp group, you will click the link I'll be leaving on the WhatsApp group. It will bring you to this interface you are looking like right now, this Earning Quest. So this Earning Quest allow you to make money while you sleep, or make money while charging your phone, or also make money while allowing the phone to run on your background. Sorry, while allowing the app to run on the background of your phone. All right, that means when you download this app, you need to enable it to over other apps, like to run on the background. Okay, so you can see that I'm making this video as of 21 of November 2025, 11:34 p.m. All right, this is 12. So I will download this app now and I will start it up. So once the app finish downloading, you open it. If you look right here, you can see that I'm actually charging my phone here. You can look at this arrow here. Look at this arrow. You can see that my phone is charging, right? I have just 10% there. I was actually going to sleep when they brought light, so I decided to plug my phone while making the video because I was having low battery. So as they brought light, I said, okay, let me use this opportunity to make this video while charging my phone. All right, so and this is also the best and the right alternative for me to earn. So if the app finish on uploading, you open it. If it finish downloading, you open it. I wanted to say something before now. I've forgotten. Oh, but that is just that. That is just that. So the app, you can turn this auto open when ready. Like you can turn this on if you want. Like when it finish downloading, when the app finish installing, it will open by its own without you type it on open. All right. So it has just finished installing. Let's wait for it to come up, so we can click on open, sorry, play. So click on play. So this Earning Quest allow you to make money in different ways. Number one, allowing your phone charge. Number two, allowing the phone to run on the background. Number three, inviting people. All right, this name I will change this name to Sunnyboy TV. You guys know that I'm already used to Sunnyboy TV. All right, because the reason why leave this country in Nigeria, this languages leave it in English, then hit on next. All right, so NYUR AFK. So launch a session, set your phone aside and let the earning roll in effortlessly. Even while you are away, you can earn up to $1 per day just by staying idle. Can you see it? So let's click on next. Click on next again. You can go through all these things to know what you are diving into. All right, I don't want this video to be too long, that's why I'm clicking on next. So click on finish. So if you are here, you can see it. Allow, no, I don't want notification, but let me allow this, because if you did not allow this, it might be the reason why you are not earning much. All right, allow everything about this. So let's go to this place, this dollar box icon here, this place. Let's go to there. Let's go there. So you can see how I set up my account. You can see what I have here. That's 3 points equals to 0.03. so this is daily. So if you go to weekly, you can see that is the same thing. Go to monthly, that is the same thing, because I haven't, this is a brand new account. Then if you click on withdraw, you can see different method in which one can use to withdraw. All right, you can withdraw. You can see they have paid out over $2.5 million to users, and today alone they have paid out over $4,900 for users. All right, so if you want to withdraw, you come here. Method in which you can use to withdraw is that you use your Payoneer or you use Binance. All right, so if you don't have Binance, go to your Play Store and go and download Binance. So my network is bad. Go to your Play Store and go and download Binance. Okay, so that is just okay. It's coming up already. Let's wait for it. It's coming up. Seems like the network is kind of slow. So the minimum withdrawal here is 0.35. You can see I have 0.03 to I have 0.03 right now, right? I have 0.03 in my balance right now, and the minimum here is 0.35, and I have 0. 0, sorry, I have yes, I have 0.03 now. So this is just it. So let me go back and show you guys how to. So this is withdraw. Go back again, so you can see this particular place. So this is night station. All right, I will advise you, if you want to sleep, start start session. This one is just grant. You can see what I told you guys earlier, that you need to grant this permission to access to display over other apps. That you need to grant it permission to so what is the name again? 11. Yeah, this is it. I've forgotten what they said I should enable. I've forgotten because I did not. Okay, let me go to permission. I will camera allow while using this app. Okay, allow while using this app. Go back. Location. Allow while using this app. Go back. Phone. Allow. So I think this should be up. Then go back again and again and again. All right. So so in order to continue playing game, app needs permission to show earnings view over other apps. I think I have granted the permission now. I have granted the permission display over other apps. Okay, let me switch this on. Okay, sorry guys, let me switch it on, then go back. Loading, please wait. All right, so I think there will be an ad. Yeah, there will be an ad. So this ad, once it's finished running, we will see what they have for us. But since I'm charging my phone, remember I told you guys you can make money by charging phone also. So since I'm charging my phone, I could have used the night section, but nevertheless I can cancel the other one. So this first one I'm trying to activate now is actually the day one. Though you can use it both day and night, but it's mostly for day, right? So when you're going to sleep, you can use the night section on, or when charging your phone at night, you can let your phone charge, and in the background it will be accumulating. All right, so the ad just finished playing. Let me cancel this. Please make sure you like the video, share to friends, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so that when next I post a video like this, YouTube will notify you and you come again from it. Right, so we just finished that. So let's wait for it to come up. Level 1. Okay, you can see I'm at level 1 right now. I'm at level 1. So let me go back. I think let me go back to this. Continue. Guys, I'm closing this particular page. Let me go and enable the other one. The other what is it called? Your efforts shine bright. So this is my reward for that. So that is just that. So let me click on please take your time to review everything they have here. Take your time to click on the dots you can see, and that is just that. So I'm just trying to review them. Go to this place, look like store, like where you can purchase something. Okay, it's like they even have survey offer, Bitland, Polyfish, CPX, and so on. It's like if you have, it's like you can perform survey here and earn more money for yourself. All right, so that is just that. This is my profile. You can see Sonnyboy TV Nigeria and all that. So let's go back to this place. Click on night section. Okay, click on night section. This one. Okay, click on night section. So click on night section. You can see what they say. You can see things they say here. They say earn more while you sleep. You can see it here. Turn your nights into profit. Earn times 2 more while you sleep and wake up to a bigger reward. The night session runs from 8 p.m. to 8 a.m. You can see 12 hours interval. So you can see this one also charge and earn 100% more. You can see it there. So this one double your earnings, blah blah blah, and so on. So for you to activate this, click on night section here. So allow it to load. An ad will also run. An ad will also pop up. Allow this ad to run because this will be a proper platform. All right. So allow the ad to run, and once it finish running, you can cancel and go back to the website. Cancel and go back to the website. So this is the website here. Okay, you can see it now. Don't click on this end section. Don't click on this end section here. Don't click on it. Okay, don't click on the end session because you can turn this light mode off. If it's too bright for you, you can turn it on if you want it this way. All right, so as you are earning, as it's counting down here, your income will be increasing. All right, your profit will be increasing. So that is just that. I have shown you guys how to mine, how to claim and set up an account on this place. Then when it's time to withdraw, I will also show you guys how to withdraw. All right, but if you have been doing this before, let me know down in the comment section. And if you are just starting with my link, with the link I'm going to be leaving on the video description, let me know down in the comment section also. And if you haven't joined my Telegram channel, click the link. Sorry, if you haven't joined my WhatsApp group, click the link on the video description or on the comment section. It will take you to my WhatsApp group where you can join us. It's free. I don't lock WhatsApp. I have almost 80 members there where you can ask questions. If there is something you don't understand, you can ask your fellow group member. And mind you, we don't post links in the group. I only post link as the admin I am. If you want me to post a link, you send the link to me first. After reviewing the link, I will not proceed. I will not tell you that, oh, this link I can post it, or this link I can't post it on this group. It's all about cooperation, right? So that is all that. I'll be leaving you guys here, and I'm hoping to see you on my next video. Please kindly like the video, share to friends, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so that when next time coming out, when next I post beautiful video, just like when you finish watching right now, YouTube will notify you and you come and watch and gain from it. All right, peace be unto you all.